there's a wide range of problems that we're facing. It could be that you've got social problems you're trying to address, economic problems, technical problems, or environmental problems. And whenever those problems aren't routine or aren't problems you've seen before, then you need to use creativity to arrive at new and original solutions to those. Creativity and associated skills repeatedly score at the top of the set of attributes that are sought after from employees and from leaders, and in general from organizations. The course is really focused on a creative process. So how can you identify the problems you want to solve? How can you generate ideas for how you can solve that problem? And then how can you select the right idea and implement it as a solution? There's a body of research into the nature of creative work. There's research that's conducted into the creative process and the different creative tools you can use. If we think just about the design thinking component, it's necessary often with complicated problems or wicked problems to understand the different stakeholders involved and what their values are, and also to run through a process where you clarify the problem, generate a range of solutions, but also start prototyping those solutions to get feedback from people as to how effective they're going to be once they're implemented. Independent of what sector you might be working in, if you've got these different problems you're addressing, then knowing how to structure the creative process, knowing how to work through it, knowing how to facilitate creative sessions, these are the sorts of things we're looking at so that we can develop individuals' creative confidence and their creative abilities, but also their capacity to talk about themselves creatively, describe their creative techniques they can use and their experiences.